Hi, this is Kevin at Tutor with the Best, and you're watching 1 Minute Math.
Limits at infinity for rational functions. In this example, the limit as x approaches infinity of this rational function, you might remember from pre-calc, the trick was to compare the degrees of the numerator and denominator. And since they're the same here, we can just take the coefficients and our horizontal asymptote would be 4 over 2. Instead, in calculus, to illustrate this algebraically, we're going to find the largest degree in the numerator and denominator of x, which in this case is x to the third, and divide every single term by x to the third. In this case, we'll have the limit as x goes to infinity of the whole numerator divided by x to the third divided by the whole denominator divided by x to the third. If we reduce each of these fractions, we'll end up with just the limit as x approaches infinity of 4 minus 2 over x squared plus 1 over x to the third divided by 2 plus 5 over x minus 4 over x cubed. Now think about what happens as x goes to infinity. All of these terms with x in the denominator keep getting smaller and smaller, so they go to 0, which shows that our limit is going to approach 4 over 2, or just 2.
If you'd like to see more videos like this, click subscribe, or check out the next video in the series by clicking below.